Hi, I'm Anchal and I'm going to show you how to apply Eylure's Line and Lash. Line and Lash 2-in-1 adhesive eyeliner is a new game-changing way to apply your eyelashes. It's so easy that anyone can do it, and it's as easy as applying your everyday eyeliner. This 2-in-1 product is a lash adhesive and eyeliner in one. What I love about this is that it is smooth to apply, it lasts all day with a really secure hold, and it is smudge proof. Another thing that I absolutely love is that you can actually use it with any of your Eylure false lashes. Today I'm going to show you how to use Eylure's Line and Lash in black in 2 easy steps: line and lash. So let's get started. Give it a good shake before you open. Step 1, apply line and lash to your eyeline, ensuring that the line you create is as long and wide as the lash band you are using. Make sure you cover the inner and outer corners. This will keep the lashes from lifting at the edges. Step 2, apply your false lash directly to the eyeliner as close to your natural lashes as possible and gently press to secure. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for you to try it. Line and Lash gives you the perfect lash with every line.